Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Saturday, the 22nd of May, 2021. And this is the weekly technical analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the fourth week of May. Let's begin with spot gold, where it has resumed its bullish move right from the start of the week on Monday, breaking through 1850. And after a volatile Wednesday with a long-legged doji, it managed to fill up the upper half towards the end of the week, and did not reach the 1900 level, but it hit 1890. Right, the Wednesday move was due to the release of the FOMC meeting minutes, where the committee did discuss possible tapering later on in future. So that gave a slight boost to US dollar for the short term. But for spot gold, it resumed its move higher. So for this week, we'll see if it's able to head up higher to test the 1900 round figure, or if it's going to consolidate and retest the now support area at the 1850. Right, if it does take a quick move towards 1900, then it also potentially could drop back down quickly to the 1850. That's where the key support is going to be, with the 62 fib area. Right, so for now, this is going to be support and a critical one. Right, let's also take a look at the US dollar index, see whether it's able to recover. And after a slight move down on Monday, it fell hard on the Tuesday and recovered on the Wednesday with the release of the minutes, FOMC minutes, and then toggle around until Friday to close back at the 90 level. So support is hanging on for dear life at the 162 fib extension, and if it does drop further, there is another key support at the 138 fib extension on the bigger swing. It needs to climb up and break through this intermediate resistance and to test this key resistance zone now. And if it does break out higher, perhaps it could even test the daily 55 EMA a week after. But it needs to recover. So we'll see if it does fall below the next key support, then that's a danger zone there. That's a danger sign for US dollar. Okay, let's move back to spot gold. And let's clear this for now. So it's will be interesting next week to end of the month to see whether it's able to reach 1900, and it depends on the US dollar index as well. Let's switch to dollar yen. where it was trading in a very tight range here with the resistance at the monthly pivot, and which aligned with the weekly pivot for last week, and then the 21 fib area as well. But then it fell and broke below this rising trend line and the 109 area, climbing back up to retest it now, and we'll see if that's going to be a key resistance after being support. And below that now, this is going to be a interim support at the daily 55 EMA. So we'll see if it either consolidates for the week, next week, or it's could fall below. If it does break below the support, then it's probably going to target the 108 level. But it needs to break out higher in order to recover towards the 110. And it's in a critical stage now, as the US dollar index shows as well. And next week, there's only minor news with the Chicago Board Consumer Conference confidence figure and the prelim GDP figures. So no major fundamental news to drive the US dollar. And it's mainly just technical analysis for next week. So we'll need to watch out on dollar yen here at a critical area, as well as the US dollar index. All right. So do check out my other videos on the other major pairs and Ichimoku analysis. Have a safe week and a good trading week, and cheers for now.